Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. What is paid link? And we are going to do a complete review on it, and we are going to see how to earn money using paid link. Now let's get started. Now I'm going to head over my PC to paid.link website. Click on paid.link. So enter. And as you guys can see, this is paid.link homepage, and this is a very awesome website where you can monetize your own products, and you can create links, and you can build affiliate programs with this, and make your links and get paid, and collect your donations. You can collect your donations, make your links, and get paid from this website. And this is all about affiliate links. We can start using this website by creating an account in paid.link. Now head over to the sign up page by clicking on this button. Yes, you can create the account using a Google account or with a Facebook account. Now I'm going to click sign up with Google, and I'm going to select an account, and paid link wants to access to your Google account. Let's click on continue registration, and enter. Now I'm going to enter my name. Click on sign up. Yes, now I have successfully logged into this paid.link website, and this is the dashboard, and the upcoming events and statistics, and Google account, Zoom account. You can connect the Google account, you can connect the Zoom account, you can connect your calendar and all other, and you can create links by clicking on create a link, and you can create new links. You can create donation link by tapping on these, and entering a title and the description and the payment settings to your email by giving your email and the name, business type, phone number, address, and comment, and you can create it. And in order to get paid for your donations and links, you should add a payment system. As you guys can see, PayPal is coming soon, and the Stripe account is already existing as a great payment account. You can connect a Stripe account by clicking on connect Stripe, and you can give your email and get started with your email. And when you click continue, you should proceed by giving the payment options, such as giving the credit or debit card details, and you can get payment for your created links, and you can receive donations from that link through this payment gateway. Now let's see how we can connect, how we can make or create the links of paid.link. Now click on create new link, and this tap on the payment link, and you can paste any of the links such as Zoom link, Google Drive link, and Dropbox link. Now I'm gonna click on youtube.com. I'm gonna get the link of the YouTube website. Yes, paste this link and set a price for it by selecting the one SGD, and product name YouTube, product description will come to YouTube, and you can limit the number of purchase by clicking on or off. Yes, now we have successfully created our paid link, and we can copy this link and we can share this link and earn a revenue from this. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more ideas and videos. See you in the next one.